my channel. Sorry it's been such a long time. I had an accident and I haven't been able to walk for 2 months nearly, but I am on the mend, so I am back with a vengeance, and I'm going to start straight off with my June's Birchbox. And isn't it a gorgeous box to jump straight back into things with? So today I'm going to show you what's inside this box. So this month Birchbox are celebrating their 5th birthday, so congratulations Birchbox, you are now 5 years old, and they've given us a lovely tin, and it's like this sort of lovely pattern on there, and it's probably like nice cute little tin that would be great for putting your biscuits in, and this is to celebrate things, as the perfect party thing is to have a tea party. So they've given us a biscuit sort of tin for us to have our items in this month, which is absolutely fab. I think it looks beautiful, and I'm definitely going to find some way to put in things in it and keep it so it's a really nice one. And in the box they've given us a little thank you to celebrate their 5th birthday, so they've given us this little card with some voucher codes on the back, and just read the T's and C's if you're going to use those before you actually try them, because it's just for subscribers only, but it's a very nice gift from you, so thank you very much Birchbox. And as usual I've got my little card here, which is shaped like a little birthday card this time, which is going to tell me everything that I've got inside my box. So it says in here, May is our 5th birthday here in the UK, so to celebrate we're channeling the most British of occasions, the tea party. From your special keepsake biscuit tin to the launch of the Birchbox Beauty Awards, June is all about thanking you, our wonderful Birchboxers. Now let's get to the party started. So that's really exciting, really cool to hear that they're doing new exciting things, so looking forward to hearing about those. So the first item I've got in my box is in here. Now this is the one item that we knew from last time that we were going to get. I chose this colour, which is Julia. Now you can see the colour of it here, but I'm not going to open it up because unfortunately my one has come quite damaged, but Birchbox are very good about that, and they do know that things like that happen, so even though they put it in one of these little bags, it can still happen, so they can easily send out another one to me. That's not an issue. But it's the Ella Eden compact eyeshadow. They had 2 colours, and you can see just here that there was a darker shade and a lighter shade, and I've gone for the lighter one. So mineral eyeshadows have time to be consuming. Can't talk, it's been so long. Mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with a long lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bolder statement. Very exciting. I love a good eyeshadow. I've really went in on my eyeshadow today because I was just so excited at getting back into things. Next up we have got something from Benefit. We've got a little sample here, and this is the Professional Pearl Primer. This fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Professional, with an added dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth it all over your face and layer up to add radiance. So that's really cool. I like to have a few Benefit items to try out, and in this tiny little packet there is the most adorable little tester there. So very small, but still something to try, so I'm very excited to give that a go. Next up we have got this here, which is the, excuse the French, I really don't know how to pronounce this, Jour d'Automne Smoothing Balm. This is whatever your hair type is, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair, then style as normal. So you know me, I love to try things on my hair, so I'm very excited to give this little dude a go, and yeah, really excited to try something that's going to keep all the flyaways and frizziness away, especially now it's getting a lot more hotter. So yeah, definitely excited to give that one a go. Next up we have another item from Polar. I think this is like the 3rd or 4th item I've had from them now, but I've not had any repeats, so it's nice to try so much different things from them, which is cool. This is the Velvety Sun Fluid Face and Body. The best kind of sunscreen is one that doesn't leave white residue behind. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day. So it's a nice little travel size bottle here, which is really good, and that looks like it's SPF 30, I believe. So yeah, really excited to use this now that we're getting into the hotter summer months, ready for some more sunshine and protecting my face while doing it. Next up we have an item from Glam Glow. I've not had a Glam Glow item before, so really excited to try this. This is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. Packed with a blend of 3 charcoals, this cream to fine cleanser detoxifies skin, removes excess oil and absorbs impurities. Massage generously into dry skin, adding warm water to create a lather. Very excited to give Glam Glow a go. I've heard good things about them, so really excited to try this. And I opened it up and it was like grey, which freaked me out, but then I read that it was charcoal and it's made so much sense. But yeah, really excited to give this a go. Need some care for this face, so definitely excited for this. And last up, we have got an extra little bonus item this month, and this is the Whittards of Chelsea tea bags. Discover 3 delicious blends: Earl Grey, mango and bergamot, and lemon and ginger for your ultimate brew from this quintessentially British band. After all, a tea party isn't complete without a good cuppa. So they've given us this cute little box, and it's got matching design on it to the box this month, which I thought was a really nice touch. And inside they've got these 3 tea bags. So we have got a lemon and ginger, we've got an Earl Grey, a proper classic, and then a mango and bergamot as well, which was really cool, and a £5 voucher in there for their site as well, which is really nice of them. So that's what's in my June's Birchbox. I'm really excited to give all of these a go. I think I may even use the tin for putting all of my various tea bags in, which would be a great way to store them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did, to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!